Hey, Taylor with Access Vehicles here. I want to show you this Sportwagon that we just finished up. It's a 2023 Transit all-wheel drive with an EcoBoost in AWD Gray. It's a 148-inch wheelbase with the medium roof. We spec these vans with the bigger tank, all-wheel drive, of course. Then we've got our HID headlights on the front, the factory fogs, which looks really nice. It's an awesome looking front end. And then we like to spec the stock steel wheels. And then if the customer wants, we powder coat them black like we did with these. And then wrap them in, this is a BF Goodrich 245/75/16 tire. Works really well with the stock height vehicle. This is a non-lifted Transit. Definitely kind of a highway cruiser. Looks pretty cool all low. We really like this van. They also did a modified interior, which a lot of people probably haven't realized that our Sportwagon layout, you've got multiple options of where the seat can go. So we'll get into that in a second. This is the Flatline Vanco's new side step. Mounts really nicely and looks real clean. Going around the back, pretty simple and straightforward. An amazing sticker that's mostly for speed so the cops don't pull you over. And then going up top, we did the Flatline Vanco low pro roof rack for the medium roof van. Two Goal Zero 95 amp legacy panels. Max Air front and rear positions. We got an AMA window. That's a slider with a screen. And then again, this is a full window van. So if you're looking for lots of glass, this is a great option. It looks really good on the outside. And then driving, you have tons of visibility. So it makes everything a lot easier to maneuver if you drive in cities a lot or down dirt roads. Going on the inside, again, a Sportwagon layout, but a little different kind of configuration. So usually this broad arrow seat we mount up front where these two L tracks are located. Customers looking for a little different layout for them. So they deleted the upper bunk and then put the broad arrow in the rear, and then located the Goal Zero 1500X and the Dometic Dual Zone 75 up front. So this is actually really similar to kind of a revolver layout, a lot more modifiable and gives you a lot more kind of room to kind of move things around. The factory options with the Ford are the dual factory swivel seats, the Sync 4 system, which is the big screen up front with the reverse camera. And then moving to the rear, again, Sportwagon layout, so no additional cabinets. In the back, you have this huge area for cargo. Windows all alongside, van-made gear, window coverings that are insulated and removable and unzippable. And then our AMA windows slide open. Oh man, brand new window. And have a screen as well. Did the bamboo ceiling, the dimmable lunacy lights, and multiple locations. And then standard subfloor, aluminum trimmed on powder coated, lawn seal flooring. We also have other options as well if anybody's interested. We do the 2-Tech-2 flooring, and then of course lawn seal has about a million other options. And then going around the back so you can get a back view. Kind of the epitome of a Sportwagon. Just designed to do some camping and a lot of traveling and just be used every day. So integrated L-track if you want to put the seat farther back or even put another seat in there. But tons of options. So awesome van. Excited for the customers to come pick it up tomorrow. If you guys have any questions about the Sportwagon or the Transit or the E350 with a 4-wheel drive conversion or Justin Hood River and want to stop by and hang out, give us a call. We're at accessvehicles.com and have a great night.